All right, here I have a 2026 GMC Terrain with the 1.5 liter engine. And if you want the quick information on doing the oil change, it takes 0W20 Dexos. The oil capacity is different depending if it's front wheel drive or wheel drive. It's 4.2 if it's front wheel drive, 5.3 if it's all wheel drive. The drain plug is 15 millimeter bolt. The torque is 18 foot-pounds, and then the oil filter is down there. I think it's a PF64, and that's the AC Delco brand. And here in the instruction manuals, it even says the oil capacity is different. Now, if you don't know what's all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, it'll usually have a little badge in the back here, like this one here says all-wheel drive, and then this other one doesn't have a badge that says all-wheel drive. You can also check the bottom of the car to see if it has a differential and the axles in the rear. And if you still don't know, just fill it up with 4.2 quarts. Check the dipstick, and if it's low, just add more until it's at the right level. All right, so here at the top you got your oil fill cap and the dipstick right next to each other, and then down here on the passenger side you have your drain plug and you have your oil filter right next to each other, so they make it very easy. And then this is the oil filter I used. That first number 252069666 is the OEM dealer number. And then PF64 is AC Delco. And then to reset your oil life, you're gonna be here. You're gonna press home to get to this screen right here, and then click vehicle status. And then down here, click maintenance. And then here's your oil life. And then just press reset, and then reset again. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to help you out.